Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll make the Batman Shuriken. Let's get into it. Let's start with a piece of scrap steel from an I-beam. It's a pretty good steel to make this kind of things because it's very cheap and it's not so rough to work with. However, it's gonna rust because it's not stainless. I'm gluing in a paper pattern and then I'm gonna cut it in a very messy manner with the angle grinder. It looks really terrible now. Let's head to the belt grinder to quickly bring it closer to its final shape. Starting to look a bit better. Now it looks pretty good, so we can go ahead and shape the bevels of the blades all around. I'm marking a center line all along the sides to see where to stop grinding, and also marking the thickness of the bevels. Okay, we're almost there. I'm just rounding the ears and adding some bevels on the sides of the head. And then we'll move to a short polishing session. Let's try it out. It's more tricky to throw compared to a ninja star because it only has 2 spikes, but once you get the right distance from the target, it becomes easier. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Please share the video if you liked it and consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!